Alright, so the question is from Travels R Us. Eventually all Cubans will be made in-house, correct?
That is correct. The new rolling mill that we got was to make 15 millimeters and above. Now we can make to like whatever my heart desires. We do like 5 kilo chain at this point with that big rolling mill. We just need to get it to work. So we need a transformer because it's 380 volt input output. So we need the 380 to 240 with the transformer. And now we have different options. So we have our premium Cuban links, which A, give you a sleek lock, a diamond sleek lock, or B, handmade box cloths. They are more expensive, and the price will reflect that if you get a diamond sleek lock, regular sleek lock, or a handmade. The benefit of doing it is we can control like what's gonna come out first, what's gonna come out next, and like if a customer calls and they really need something right away, please don't everybody call that you need something right away. Like for next day or something, we can put that to the priority list and get it done. And also, our carrot is higher now than it was before because since we make it in-house, yes, our cost for the product is a little bit more, but our carrot is higher. So like everything, all the math that I do is pretty much for like a 1025, a 1425, and for the 18 carat, I've been doing 1835, 1850 a lot of the times. So that is good. That's much better for the end consumer. That way we don't have any problems. Start to finish, if you're working on it all day, you can do one in one day, but that's not how it works. So the way it works is you have your orders and you work like 7 millimeters, and then you do the 8 millimeters and then the 9 millimeters and do all the wire and then cut all the wires, and then so it's a multiple day process. But if you're doing one chain, one day you could pretty much finish it, because soldering, depending on the size of the chain or if it's a bracelet, can take you anywhere from 2 to 5 hours depending on the size of the chain. The smaller the chain, the longer it takes to solder. So that's why 6 millimeters have a higher labor price, and that's why they're machine made instead of handmade. Right now in-house we can do rose gold, which we do rose gold, yellow gold, white gold. We still haven't perfected, so we're not offering it in-house. We can't outsource it. We just don't exactly like to outsource it because the quality isn't the greatest on white gold. White gold is really hard to work with for Cuban links, but silver we do as well. If you want to see the process of how a Cuban link is made, click here, click here, click here, click here, anywhere, click anywhere. Now check the link down below, or maybe you can make a little pop-up right here. We are now officially licensed by the NCAA to sell your favorite college's stuff. So like if you're like a Gators fan or a Florida State Seminole fan, we're working on getting the approval on them. We are currently only approved for USF because we are in Tampa, but we are getting approved for Gators, FSU. We're gonna do FAU because I went there. Maybe UCF and like all the big national schools, USC, Alabama, LSU. That's our plan, to do all those schools. If you're watching, like, share, subscribe, and if you don't, hit a dislike. Don't subscribe. Do whatever you want. Do what makes you happy. Because everybody dies, but not everybody lives. This is the official guitar ball. I bought it off of Adidas.com. It cost me 180 bucks. I got finessed by the World Cup. All right, and that's life.